Welcome to our Halloween cookie decorating tutorial, where simplicity meets spooky creativity. Today, I'll guide you through easy yet impressive techniques to transform plain cookies into festive masterpieces. Ready to get started? First up, classic royal icing. In a bowl, whisk together powdered sugar and egg whites or meringue powder until thick and smooth. Divide the icing into smaller bowls, then tint each with your favorite food color. Think orange, black, or purple. Use piping bags fitted with small tips for fine lines, or larger tips for bold outlines. Pro tips: practice your design first on parchment paper. Let each layer dry completely before adding details, for clean, professional results. Next, candy melt artistry. Place orange or black candy melts in a microwave-safe bowl, heat in short bursts, stirring between each until fully melted. Dip cookies halfway for dramatic effects, or drizzle with a spoon. Want controlled precision? Use a squeeze bottle. While the candy is still warm, add sprinkles, crushed cookies, or nuts for texture and flair. Add a touch of magic with edible glitter or metallic luster dust. After the main decoration, use a fine brush to apply luster dust evenly. Spray with metallic food color for a luminous finish. Combine different glitters for a unique, enchanted look, perfect for ghostly or shimmering pumpkin cookies. Stencil patterns are your cheat code for consistent, stunning designs. Use a pre-made or cardstock stencil. Hold it firmly over the cookie. Dust powdered sugar or cocoa, or spray edible color mist for instant spooky themes like bats or haunted houses. Layer stencils for depth. Use contrasting colors to make designs pop. It's mess-free and beginner-friendly. Fondant isn't just for pros. It's playful and versatile. Knead fondant until smooth, then roll thin and cut shapes. Ghosts, witch hats with cookie cutters. Layer shapes for a 3D effect. Use cornstarch to prevent sticking. Keep fondant covered to stop drying out. Sprinkles bring texture, color, and extra fun. Choose Halloween-themed sprinkles. Candy corn, pumpkins, ghosts. After icing, shower them on before it sets so they stick well. Never underestimate the power of shape. Use cookie cutters in fun Halloween shapes. Pumpkins, skeletons, witches' hats. Chill your dough for cleaner edges. Then cut and bake. Decorate according to shape, orange for pumpkins, black for cats, and you'll have cookies that look impressive with minimal effort. For convenience and fun, try themed decorating kits. These kits include pre-baked cookies, icing, and toppings, perfect for parties or baking with kids. Set up a decorating station and turn it into a festive activity, or even a friendly contest for creativity. Bring cookies to life with edible eyes and features. Add edible eyes, fondant details, or use chocolate chips for noses and mouths. Stick them on while the icing's still tacky. Mix and match expressions for monsters, zombies, or anything delightfully spooky. And there you have it, 10 simple yet enchanting techniques to elevate your Halloween cookies. Whether you're a beginner or a baking enthusiast, these ideas from royal icing to stencils, glitter to fondant are fun, creative, and easy to do. Now it's your turn. Let your imagination guide your decorating magic. Be sure to check out this video for more.